Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to another beautiful day in our new hometown of Point Edward, Ontario. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jeff.
My name is Jeff. It's Hefe, man.
And for the last 2.5 years, we have been gallivanting across the country with this here green Dodge under the name A Little Trailer Big Adventures.
And tell me that crazy adventure you guys had.
Having adventures all the way from meeting up with Aaron Kaufman at the Cadillac Ranch to hikes from Arches all the way to Zion and
go into incredibly descriptive details of the story so we all know.
Oh, yes.
Let's not talk about how I can even relate to Matt Damon in being bumped on Jimmy Kimmel. But at least Cheryl and Simon made it on. Anyways, that's a Little Trailer Big Adventures. Check it out. Link in the description below. I'm excited to announce in today's video, dun 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 dun, we bought a house. You're also probably wondering where I've been the last 6 months, and the quick explanation of that is when YouTube doesn't pay you and you work your butt off for 2 years, you just take a 6-month vacation. You will likely notice one major difference with the Viper since I've last vlogged, and that is that I bought a new hardtop for her. Yes, that's right, I bought a factory hardtop from the Viper store out of Florida. Not a paid product endorsement, link in the description below. But anyways, today we're gonna take you out for a ride in the car. But first we need keys. Simon, hey buddy, how you doing?
Aww.
Say hi to the vlog, huh? It's been a while, you just gonna act a little camera shy, even though you've gotten huge because of Jimmy Kimmel, right? You're just a big star. You're a big star in my eyes every day. And let's not forget Lady Luca. Oh, Lady Luca. Yes, you missed being in the vlog. Yeah, no, I don't even want to look at the camera. I wasn't the first one. You did not choose me first. Give him cutie face. Give him cutie face. Aww. Atta girl. Keys. I need the wallet, definitely. Well, I do need the truck keys. And if I was the Stradman, that means my keys would be... How about... Oh, that only leaves one last spot. There's only one other place where it could be. With the Twinkies. Come on. I know. That wasn't even punny at all. God, that was awful. If this video gets 122,000 likes, I will wrap my car any color you want me to. That's right. Any color you want me to. Purple, pink, maybe even sublime green. So go ahead and smash that thumbs up. Yes, yes, yes. But before we take the car out, here's the cold start up of a 2017 Dodge Ram, a 1500. That would not be funny if the neighbor's house was on fire, because that's what it appears to be going on over there. Oh. Remember how I joked earlier about the neighbor's house being on fire, possibly? A little bit of smoke over there? Yeah, the fire truck's showing up. So, that's... not really too sure. They could just be burning something in the backyard. Smoke was pretty thick for a second there, folks. I thought the vlog was so hot we were burning down the neighbor's house. Crazy! Dun 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 dun. Also, I need a new door handle. My button appears to have. Thank goodness for this. Yes, 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 yes. I know what you're thinking. You're probably pretty triggered and wanting that cold start up. So, ladies and gentlemen, here's the cold start up of a 1999 Dodge Viper RT10. Oh boy, she almost didn't start. I think the door popper's draining the battery. You've also probably noticed by now my I'm here for the beard shirt. If you're a fan of Aaron Paulos, the Life of Paulos, like me, well, I just went out and made my own t-shirt, so. Beat you to it, Aaron. What up? Front plate, pull it out or get pulled over. It's really nice, even on hot days, having this new roof on because it allows you to be in the shade, which is really nice. Plus, look at the inside of it. It's nice, it's swaying. Wrong. It's got these hanger things that are really kind of useless because you can't put your wallet up there. Look at this. You could, but then I'd hit the gas and that thing would come flying out and, well, right out the back window. So we'll just put it right there. For meow. And let's go. Oh. Holy! Woo! Oh, that never gets old, boys. That never gets old. You'll never get that from a Lamborghini. You only get that from a naturally aspirated V10, baby. Woo! Oh, can you hear me, by the way? I'm sure you can with the roof on. Okay, if you're wondering what we're doing today, we're just out and about cruising around town, having a look out for an SVJ, ladies and gentlemen. That's right, somewhere around this town, a unknown person has bought a Lamborghini SVJ in purple of all colors. You gotta love it. Oh, this guy's totally choo-choo. Totally choo-choo. You even vape, bro? We're gonna look for that SVJ, but until then, I've got a tunnel for you. Yes! Factory exhaust, baby. You don't need more than that. We've reached the portion of the vlog where we might have to take the Viper to spin class in, I don't know, let's say America, because we're too far from Mexico, so Mexico wouldn't make sense. Anyways. Watch the leg, watch the leg. Boys, we're here in a highly undisclosed location. Let me know, comment below if you want me to take this car to spin school. So if you do that and leave a like, maybe I will, maybe I won't. Oh God, I do that every time. Now I would cruise to the park, but Lake Chippewa Drive is currently closed, and so is the parking lot in the park due to COVID-19. So I don't think the Lamborghini SVJ is going to be there per se, but let's just say that Heather Ballerini wasn't very smart in her edit and may have not edited out the guy's address. I'm just kidding, that's rude. You should never, ever show up at a YouTuber's house unannounced, or just anybody's house unannounced, just because of the car they have. Let's make that clear. PSA brought to you by Canadians in Cars Getting Cocky. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. That is going to effectively end today's video. As always, I hope you enjoyed it. Like Squad, be sure to smash that like button. And just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.
Something very familiar about